Hello students, welcome to the next session of SST. Today I am here with the topic milestones in healthcare. So, what is health? Health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. Good health helps people live a full life. Healthcare exists to help people maintain this optimal state of health. On the other hand, disease is an impairment of the normal state of a human being that interrupts its vital functions. Medical treatments can help to manage the disease. The history of disease is as old as the evolution of man, but in earlier times, medication was not so developed. People mostly used herbs to cure diseases. Diagnostic system was also not developed. This was the reason why diseases like cholera and tuberculosis, which are cured easily today, took a toll on life in earlier times. With the development in the field of science and technology, better methods of medication come into being. We should be thankful to the scientists whose contribution to the field of medication is unforgettable. So students, in this session I am going to discuss with you some important inventions and their inventors. First one is thermometer. A thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature of human body. It helps us to know whether a person has fever or not. In ancient times, some experts could measure body temperature by touching the body and by feeling the pulse, but it does not give a correct idea. The thermometer, which is used to measure body temperature, is called a clinical thermometer. It was developed by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. A thermometer has two parts, a mercury-filled bulb and a glass tube which shows the temperature. The temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. To measure the temperature, the bulb part of the thermometer is kept in the mouth or under the armpit for a minute. Because of the heat of the body, the mercury expands into the glass tube and shows the exact temperature. Nowadays, digital thermometers are also available. Number 2 is stethoscope. Stethoscope. A stethoscope is used to listen to the internal sound of human body. A doctor mostly uses it to listen to the sounds of heart and lungs to diagnose diseases. It was invented by Dr. René Laennec of France in 1816. There is an interesting story behind the invention of the stethoscope. Once Dr. René saw two children playing on the roadside. They were sitting on the ends of wood. They were whispering through the log. When Dr. René asked them what they were doing, they told him that they were talking to each other. They could hear even the lightest sound from one end of the log to the other. It gave an idea to Dr. René. He rolled a newspaper and placed its one end on the chest of a patient and the other end to his ear. He was surprised that he could hear the heartbeat of the patient clearly. This experiment led to the development of the stethoscope. Since then, many modifications have been made to improve its working. Microscope. Students, do you know that germs are the main cause of many diseases? They are of different types and cause different types of diseases. We cannot see these germs with our naked eyes. A microscope is an instrument that is used to see and study the objects and organisms that are too small to be seen by naked eyes. It magnifies an object several times. Its invention was a turning point in healthcare. Now doctors can see and identify the germs responsible for a disease and give medicines accordingly. The microscope was invented in Netherlands by accident around 1590. An optician was working in his shop along with his son when he accidentally saw a fly through two lenses which were kept one behind the other. The fly looked very big, and hence came the idea of a microscope. Antony von Leeuwenhoek was the inventor of present-day microscope. Now students, I am going to discuss with you some latest machines in healthcare. With the passage of time, many great developments took place in the field of healthcare. Nowadays, we have many advanced and sophisticated machines for accurate diagnosis and treatment of diseases. So, first one is X-ray machine. This is used to take picture of the inside of our body. These pictures or images are known as X-ray images. It is very helpful in determining broken bones. X-ray used in X-ray machine were discovered by a German scientist Wilhelm Röntgen. Ultrasound machine. This is used to get picture of the organs inside our body. These pictures are used to study muscles and joints. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. An MRI lets doctor to see the organs, bones and tissues inside the body. Without having to do surgery, this test can help diagnose a disease or injury. CT scan, computer tomography. This is another imaging method. It gives three-dimensional images of the internal organs. ECG, electrocardiogram. An electrocardiogram records the electrical signal from our heart to check for different heart conditions. Electrodes are placed on the chest to record heart's electrical signals, which cause our heartbeat. The signals are shown as waves on the attached computer monitor or printer. EEG, electroencephalography. An EEG, electroencephalography, is a test used to evaluate the electrical activity in the brain. Brain cells communicate with each other through electrical impulses. An ECG can be used to help detect potential problems associated with this activity. So students, in this session, I discussed with you some modern milestones in the field of healthcare. Hope that this video will be informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Hello students, welcome to the next session of